Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Hope you all are doing great. I'm also doing great. Here is your friend Labun Akhtar once again from Sabah, Dhaka, and today we have a new friend with us.
Athiya Aisha, and I came from Sabah Cantonment Public School and College, and currently I'm taking a course at Digital ICT.
And first, we want to thank our teacher, Mr. Nazmul Hussain, for giving us a chance to perform here today.
So today we are going to have a conversation on the topic early rising.
Not only that, today we're also going to talk about some new alternatives those aren't used normally in our daily conversation.
So please try not to skip the video.
Well, let's get started. Hey Sadia,
Hi Labunno.
long time no see. How have you been these days?
Not bad, but I'm just a little bit stressed out.
Stressed out? But why? Is there anything bothering you? You can feel free to share with me.
Well, I'm just freaked out of hearing. Why are you always late? All the time. Can you please help me out?
Of course, but in that case, first I have to know that why are you actually late for all the time?
Well, I can't get up early in the morning, even though I just try hard.
Well, I guess you must have been keeping late hours at night. Am I right?
Yeah, is that so? Is that the only reason for me being late?
Well, I can't say about that, but of course, if you avoid keeping late hours at night, you will get a lot of benefits.
Well, can you please tell me the benefits of early rising?
Well, don't you know the proverb says, early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise.
Well, but how is it gonna help me to become punctual in the class?
Of course it's gonna help you. If you get early in the morning, you will get much more time to finish your lessons, complete your homework, have your breakfast, have bath and meal, and then come to your college and reach ahead of time. Not only that, you can also enjoy the natural beauty of the morning.
Oh, I got you now. So by getting up early in the morning, I can make the best use of my time.
Exactly. If you get up early in the morning, your body and mind will be refreshed. Besides, an early riser can work more, earn more to add to his income.
You are right, I was in the dark. Thanks for giving me so much information, and thanks a lot for giving me so much time. And from now on, I'll get up early in the morning.
Well, that was so wise of you. And I'll catch you up later in your house in the morning, and then we'll have a walk beside the riverside. So be ready for tomorrow.
Okay, I'll be prepared. And well, I gotta go now. I'm afraid that I can't wait. So I'll see you later.
Yeah, that's not a problem. See you later.